Congratulations on your Lifetime Achievement Award. How did you feel when you got the call?
I feel a bit, where was I? I was at home in the apartment in Paris, and it was a bit, it kind of took my breath away, and I got embarrassed over the phone. I could get embarrassed on the phone, but I did. And then I realised I should be a bit more gracious in that, and I accepted it and said thank you very much. And then I felt all kind of woozy, and then I thought, I don't even remember what I did last week. I don't know what they've done, but because I can't just try and keep going forward. But I mean, it is obviously a great honour, and also when I see the people who've gone before me, it's a great honour.
So you're going to celebrate tonight, is what you're saying?
No, I'd say a few words, and we rely normally on people to write, and then we interpret them. So I have to keep a lid on it for a bit, but we'll see what happens anyway.
We'll see.
We will see.
We'll see. It's your night.
Somebody's asked me, am I going to throw a few shapes, but I don't think it would come to that.
I would like to see it.
Yeah.
Ciarán, thank you so much. Congratulations again. Cheers. Steve Coogan, you're up in the same category as your co-star in Hardwick. It really is life imitating art, imitating life. What are you going to do if one of you wins? What have you planned?
Well, I don't think. I mean, I'm not being. There's no false modesty here, but I don't think I'm in with the shout. I think I'm just. I think my nomination was just being polite on their part. I think Aina's got a shout, and if he does, then I'll go and get it for him. That's as close as I'm going to get him, I think. It's great to be in a distinguished company of some revered Irish talent. Even Daniel Day-Lewis, who is probably considered Irish these days, isn't he?
And you're always in Ireland. What's the first thing you do when you get here usually?
I was actually in West Cork seeing friends and some family. Skull.
I'm from Cork. So
yeah. Right on Skull Valley is a hobby, and I love that part of the world. So I was and then seeing people up here. So rude for me not to come if I'm in the town.
Of course. Well, the next time you're in Cork, will you give me a buzz and I'll bring you around the place. I'll show you the good spots. Steve Coogan, thank you so much. Have a ball tonight. From one Fionnula to another, how are you? Fionnula Jones, lovely to meet you. 6 o'clock show on Virgin Media.
I watched it.
Well, that's great to hear. How does it feel? You're home from Los Angeles. How are you feeling to be here at the IFTAs?
Well, I am so delighted to be out of the USA at the moment.
And home for a good Irish party.
Home for this nomination, and home for this wonderful film that Darren did, called Four Mothers, which was great. And it's lovely to be here to see my old friends and colleagues, and also my old enemies.
Enemies, I love it. You're a woman after my own heart. And come here, I hear you're on the next season of Young Offenders. What can you tell us, or can you tell us anything? I won't tell anyone, I'll keep it a secret.
I play their grandmother, the boy's grandmother, and you'll have to wait and see it. Yes.
You look beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm great. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Sucking on. Apart from that,
Who are you wearing?
Oh, Polly. I literally heard about this not that long ago, and I worked out that I could go, so I just sort of panicked, online shopped, as one does. So, yeah.
Congratulations on the recognition for Leonard and Hungry Paul. How does that feel?
It feels wonderful, especially for an IFTA and an award recognition from my home country, to see how beautiful the show is, how soft, how cosy, how entertaining the show can be without anything that sort of gives you heart palpitations necessarily, or is like trauma sort of bonding. But it's wonderful. I'm really excited about it, and fingers crossed who won, because I had a blast filming it, and I'm really, really proud of the story and the characters.
Ardal, and I need to hear all about this suit. Where is it from?
Sorry, this suit, it's from a shop. I mean, it probably was designed by somebody quite well known, but the name escapes me.
Yeah. It's a great place to get suits, though. Shops, I hear.
Shops, yeah, and I don't even go into shops if I can avoid them. I mean, I run in, pick the first thing I see, and run out again as fast as I can to avoid the stress. It's got skulls, as you can see, to ward off the evil spirits. Yeah. We are in a dangerous environment tonight.
I love it. There's no place more dangerous than a place full of actors. Come here, How to Get to Heaven from Belfast. Huge success. How have you found the response to it? It's been huge.
Oh, it's been incredible. Yeah. I haven't actually managed to get to see it all myself yet, so I'm really excited. I'm one of those, I'm quite shy about things like that, I usually leave a little bit of time before I can actually sit down and come out from behind the couch and look at it. But yeah, I gather it's going really, really well. It was an amazing project to be part of.
Guys, my Cork Kings, Daniel and Jamie, thank you so much for chatting to me. Christy, 14 nominations. How does it feel to be here?
It's an honour, to be honest. Delighted. We're all delighted to be here, to be honest. It's an honour for all of us.
I'm sure you're the same.
Yeah, it's an honour is an understatement, you know. Especially Jamie. I know Jamie since he's a very young kid, since he was a child, you know, and all the same with all the kids in the cabin, you know. It's just great to see them get as far as they've come and see them progress in film as they have, you know, so it's really great.
Why do you think the film has resonated so much?
I think it's resonated with people really, just a lot of, the film is a lot of emotions, you know, and I feel like people in the world, especially these days, it's really hard to show your emotions to people, you know, especially people that, you know, people always say talk to your family, but it's never as easy to talk to your family as it is someone else, you know, so, and especially people like in foster care have come up to me and said that the movie really represents them, you know, so that really means the world, because that's what we wanted, you know, and we didn't just want this sad film where everyone was going to be sad all the time, you know, we wanted to bring some light to it, you know, and I feel like we done that as best as we could.
I think we'll talk about the fit first, because we have to. Yeah. Who are you wearing?
No idea. I literally, I have no idea. I just stuck it on. There was 3 options in the room. This seemed to be the only one that fit, and here we are.
I love it. It works.
It feels good. Yeah.
It popped off.
I don't know who am I wearing. Do you want to tell me?
New and Lingwood.
New and Lingwood.
New and Lingwood.
New and Lingwood. You heard it here first, folks.
To see you look so beautiful. You look like a statuette yourself.
I wanted to go as IFTA.
And you did.
I did.
You look beautiful. Who are you wearing?
Jenny Packham. Hi, you look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
I'm not wearing Jenny Packham. I'm wearing Happy Days. But we're here together and it is a happy day, isn't
Exactly, it's the happiest of days. I can only tell you how delighted I was. I flew in last night, so I haven't even landed 24 hours. And I'm so happy I'm here.
Busy. Come here. It's a very exciting night. How important are nights like this for the Irish film and TV calendar?
I mean, this night matters the most. I think celebrating local talent, celebrating Irish talent that is done well abroad, it's so vitally important. It is tonight, and I'm so proud to be here.
Who are the Irish actors that are coming up that are inspiring you now?
Oh my God, geez, there's so many of them. I mean, look, this is not someone coming up, but when I watched Jessie in Hamlet, I went, that woman is going to wipe the floor. I have fingers and toes crossed for her, because not only does she deserve it, she needs that award for that movie. My God almighty, I can't imagine a better performance.
Who are you both wearing?
Oh gosh, I'm wearing Zero by Maria Cornejo. And oh my God, this is Theresa Van Noten.
It's mega.
Thank you.
I'm wearing all Irish. I'm wearing Katarina Coyne, who is an Irish Galway girl who lives in Los Angeles. So she so kindly let me have this for the night, and I'm wearing some frosting from Paul Ciarán, which is making me feel very special.
Aisha, is this your first Irish award show?
It is.
Yeah.
It is. I've gone to the Oscar Wilde Awards several times, but that's in Los Angeles. This is my first IFTAs for sure, and I've done the Galway Film Club. But yeah, I'm really happy to be here.
It's a lot more relaxed than any kind of LA awards show that you'll ever be at.
Yeah.
It's a lot warmer. There's just an atmosphere of fun and mischief that you won't quite get in a
You can say better crack. I think. It's fine. You're safe.
I don't even think we know how to have the crack in LA. It's very uptight, so yeah, we're really happy to be here.
Guys, how are you? Looking so gorgeous. Talk to me. Who are you wearing?
Thank you so much. So are you. I love your pearls. Thank you so much. I am wearing a brand Dion.
Lisa, I need to know about the bag. Where is this from?
So this is a Irish designer, Maya Grisham. So it's gorgeous wee heart bag.
Congrats on How to Get to Heaven from Belfast. Like, what a huge success. How does it feel now that it's out in the world?
Oh yeah, it's like it's good. I think we got away with it.
Yeah. Lisa, did you get away with it?
I hope so. Like it's just crazy that it's all going everywhere at once, and everyone's watching different episodes at different times. So I'm not really used to that, but yeah, we're very pleased. Yeah.
How excited are you to be here tonight?
Oh, I'm very happy to be here. I drove up from Wexford today. It's been really, really calm, really exciting. Everybody looks amazing, and I was very honoured to be asked.
Who are you looking forward to catching up with tonight?
Oh, well, I haven't seen people for a while, but I'm sure I'll see a lot of people that I know in the room and some that I've never met before.